variables and the types. Now, what are Python variables? A variable is like a container that stores values that you can access or change. As the word variable refers, vary means change. We can change the value assigned to it. In Python, every element is termed as an object. Okay. Object data. So the variables are termed as objects and the variable values are termed as object data. For example, x is equal to 9. Here x is variable and 9 is the object data or the value assigned to the variable x. So how to identify a variable? In Python prompt, it is the window of Python I will show to you. Use the following syntax: id for identity, and under the parenthesis brackets use the your variable or object, whatever. For example, x is equal to 10, id under the parenthesis bracket x the variable, and it will return a 10-digit large address of memory location storing the value 10. Now we should open the command prompt. Now this is our prompt of Python here. So I would consider a variable x is equal to 10. Now we should use the function id, and under the parenthesis we should use x. Now it's give a large value of 10 digit. Sometimes it give a large more than 10 digit also. So this is the practical application. I will give you the from basic to advanced Python practical knowledge also. Types of variables include 5 types. 5 types of variables are offered by the Python language. First is number, second is none, sequence, sets and mapping. I will tell one by one all the data types. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Now, number 1, numbers. It stores numerical values as the name indicates. One of the most unique feature of Python language that you need not to declare a numeric value to define its type. But the previous languages like Java and C++, Fortran all includes to declare the user that whether the type is numeric, alphabetic or string or something else. Under this category of data type, numbers, Python supports 4 sub data types, that is, first is integer, second is floating point, third is complex numbers and fourth is boolean. I will explain the subtypes also. First is integer. It includes whole number without any fractional part, but it can include positive as well as negative value also. For example, 1, 7, minus 5, minus 9, 8, 2, 4, something else, etc, etc. Second one is floating point. It includes a floating point number, that is numbers with decimal part. For example, 3.7, 8.9, so on, etc. The third one is complex numbers. The students with the science background study mathematics, commerce background also, we study mathematics, can digest this word. It includes numbers made with a pair of real and imaginary value. Imaginary value is since it is not real, means it is only our imagination. 2 plus 5j, where 2 is real and 5j is imaginary. Okay. And the last subtype is bool or boolean. It represents one of the 2 possible values, true or false, means if we enter our variable, it gives us result in form of true or false, 0 or 1. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. Tomorrow we will continue with the our more data types and the subparts of a sequence, which is the most important data type along with numbers. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.